Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sunrit Hajra. Today I'm gonna show you how to increase the clip and distance of camera in Blender. So let's get started. So first let's open up Blender, and here we have a scene. In this scene, by the normal view of the user, we can see all of these things, but through the camera we cannot see anything because the default clip and distance in camera is very less. So we have to increase it in order to make things more visible. So we just need to select the camera that is active, and then we have to go to this data. After going to data, you have to go to this clip start and clip end values. You have to just increase this clip end value to, like, let's say 1000, and now you can see that everything is visible, and now we can render it very easily. And that's how you could resolve your issue with viewing things with camera in Blender. So that was all for today. I hope you were able to resolve your issue with viewing very large meshes in Blender. Thanks for watching.